Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass on the Motorola Moto G Stylus 2020 model. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup. And then insert a plastic carpet tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, hold the Touch ID button and pull out the back cover from the body. Take out the back cover and then undo 9 screws to take out the logic board frame with the lens. Next, take out the broken lens from the frame. There are 2 lens rings in this model. Select the required ring and apply heat to it. And then push from the rear side to take out the broken lens. If your lens has many cracks, gently take out pieces. Next, clean the surface and place a new lens glass with the adhesive. You can follow the same steps to the other lens too. Next, secure the board frame with the lens by adding 9 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we add in binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can add some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.